A really lovely little narrowboat with a generous cruiser stern and entry in the back. Entering into the galley. From the galley we go through into the living area, removable table, television and a nice big sofa which makes up into a single or a double bed. Moving through, we now have a corridor with storage and a large wardrobe to one side and the bathroom, toilet and wash basin on the other. Further down the corridor we have the shower. Moving on past the shower and wardrobe into the rear cabin, where we have another big L-shaped settee, which also, with the addition of a short plank, makes up a double bed. And back through the boat, through the living room again, into the galley with fridge and a very nice stove. A really comfortable little boat for sale through Boat Shed Grand Union.